Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akansha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one. Today's video is the second video for our Women's Day special series, and today is everyone's favorite. All the women out there just love shopping. This video is for you because it's a Women's Day sale video. I have 10 products which I will be showcasing here in images, and I will be giving you some details about it. But to find the price, you can see the price in the description box, and other details which I feel are necessary will again be put up in the description box. In case you want to purchase any of these items from me, all you have to do is just go to my Instagram page and DM me there. I will give you all the details again there along with the price. After you Paytm me the price, there your order will be placed. So let's begin. Okay, so the first item that we have with us is this wall art. Okay, so we have two sets of wall arts. First one is this, the second one is this. Alright, so the speciality about this wall art is that they come with like a two-way tape at the back of it, so you could remove the two-way tape and you can stick it on a wall, on your cupboard, or wherever it is that you want to place. So if you have like a plain white wall or a background and you're thinking what you want to do with it, I think you can go with any of these, and you could also change which one you want up, which one you want down, so you can do the arrangement as per your liking. Very reasonably priced. For prices, check the description box. And you could also place the order on my Instagram handle, which is Absolutely AK. So the next item that we have on board are these jute mats. Now these jute mats are basically a 60 by 60 diameter roll, and for all the young budding YouTubers and interior enthusiasts, I think this one's a great fit because you could just place these at the corner of any room or in the center of any room and make it look aesthetically very nice. The next item that we have on board is something which is really trending nowadays, and that is these neon love lights. Okay, so I am also a fan of having lights in my room for those crazy evenings or those romantic nights. So if you're interested in buying some lights, this one's your go-to light because it comes in a yellow color, it comes in multicolor, and it also comes in pink neon color. All of them are available with the prices and the details given in the description box. Best part is that you not only can keep it on a table, but you could also hang these on a wall because they have those holes wherein you could wall mount it as well. The next item are my personal favorite, these cute unicorn pouches. They come in a pack of 4. So I think that's really good because you're going to might as well pay once and get 4 and then utilize all of them in keeping your stationery. You could keep your makeup brushes, you could keep your you could give it off to your children, you could use it for carrying your makeup and toiletries while you're traveling. You can use it for so many things. You could also use it in your kitchen if you want to use it in your kitchen for something, or you could use it in your office stationery. So you could use it's like a multi-purpose pouch, and because it's so cute, I think it'll be everyone's favorite. For prices, again, see in the description box. The next item again is something that we all need on a day-to-day basis, and that's makeup brushes. I have a set of 10 makeup brushes in a pack, one in pink color and one in black color. So pick the one that you like. I think personally, I don't think I can actually choose between the two. Black is something which doesn't get dirty, so you could go for longer use, you could go for the black one, but you could also go for pink if you're a sucker for pink. And yeah, that's about it. These are very soft, very good for the skin, durable. Yeah. Next we have on board are these fancy looking clips. So I have a bunch of clips all shown here. You could pick the ones that you like. You could select the picture or take a screenshot of the picture and you can DM me in my Instagram and let me know which one you like. Again, they're all priced differently, so I'm going to put all the prices in the description box so that you can get back to me regarding the one that you like. Again, very trendy, something that a lot of girls are wearing, a lot of YouTubers are wearing, a lot of women would want to gift it to their children. So whichever you like, please do order. Next up we have are these multi-purpose pouches. Again, this comes in a pack of 5 and they're random designs, so I cannot promise you which design you would get, but these are the 5 designs that I get. And again, this has multi-purpose use. You can use it for your toiletries, for your makeup brushes, for your stationery. You could also use it if you're a woman with children. You could also give it away to your children. You could gift it to your children. You could use it for return gifts for your children. And yeah, so again, quite multi-purpose, quite functional, quite high on utility. So grab yours before they get over. Next one up is my personal favorite, because I recently have developed this liking for plants, though I'm still encroaching into that territory. But these cute little pots, which are they're so cute. They are in very small sizes, so don't get fooled by looking at the picture. They are actually very small in size, but they're very good for indoor plants. They're very good for your succulents. So if you're interested in any of these designs, do let me know and DM me in my Instagram, on my Instagram. Then we have these beautiful scrunchies, these silk scrunchies. These are so gorgeous. They're so soft and they look awesome. Like, they just take your hairstyle like class apart. So if you're interested in any of these scrunchies, again, you can DM me. We have some color options. We also have some offers on this, like you could buy 5 together and you might get a discount, or you could buy 2 together and you might get a discount. So there are a few discounts and a few packs and offers and deals available here, so make most of them. And last but not the least, I have some essential table lamps. So I'm just starting out with 1 or 2 designs, so I'm just going to put it up here. If you like these, I could get more designs for y'all. For the prices, you could check the description box, and they are so gorgeous. They're so adorable. They just uplift the interior to another level. What you could do is you could keep them on a shelf, or you could keep them in your room, and they just set the mood straight. Okay, so yeah, so why not get one of these and get your interior quotient like top notch. So this is it, guys. I really hope you liked all the products. These are some selected products that I have personally tried, used, and I'm really liking them. If you also like any one of them and you want to get it from me, please do not forget to go follow me on my Instagram and DM me the product that you want to buy. We would discuss all the pricing details and all the descriptions there, and after you have Paytm the amount, you shall get your delivery. It will be parceled to you. And yes, that's about it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the Women's Day sale, and if you want to shop with me just like this all over again with some new products, with some new things in my shop, let me know in the comment section, and I shall bring more products for you at very reasonable and affordable prices. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one.